That one. All right, guys. So this is the free box, Asia box for QB Josh cards. So far, we have not hit a colored auto. We hit a refractor auto. And the Asia refractors, the best ones we've hit Groshans and Alec Baum. Usually right after Alec Baum, you have Kellenic, but I don't know if that's going to be true for Asia. This is your auto. All right, let's see what you got. Jared Kellenic, so he does follow. He does follow. All right, so that's probably our best. Alec Baum, Jared Kellenic, and Groshans are our best ones. Nice hit. Sean Weimer, Cole Roederer, Jonathan India refractor, Jordan Adams, Bo Bichette, Keston Hiura. Some nice cards. Jesus Sanchez, Nico Horner, and Nolan Gorman. And this is now our best. This is like on eBay recently. This sold for $41. Not bad, huh? Free box break. All right, let's see what your auto was. Oh, wow, you got a colored auto too. Let's see what you got. Oh, nice. Nice name. Grant Levine, 106 out of 150. Grant Levine. So you did really well. Mitch Keller, Alex McKenna, and Grayson Rodriguez. So congratulations, my friend. Grant Levine, Blue Wave Auto. Nice card. Nolan Gorman. Nice card. And Kellenic. Nice card. All right. That's it. Let me save your video.